Welcome back, guys! Some of you will maybe recognize this place because we are at the Rigi. Rigi code?
Yep.
Something like that? Rigi. We've been here around about half a year ago, a little bit more, and we saw the place when we were doing the rewind video or throwback video for 2018, and we thought we have to come back here in winter because in summer it was super awesome and it has to be awesome in winter, and that is absolutely true.
Yeah, and we have a lot of clouds in where we live, and we thought, why not going up?
Yeah, and we started down at the valley and thought, are we allowed to say? It's cloudy, but now we drove above the clouds, and now we're climbing to the place we've been last time and trying to repeat the shot just in the winter and see if that picture gets out that well like in summer. So let's climb here through the snow. Well guys, so we are actually shooting here in the bitter cold. It's flying again, still, I don't know. When you look there, it's so beautiful. You see the shadows of the mountains down there, and there's a little tiny house. I think you can't see it on the video. It gets eaten by the clouds. So down there at the valley, and when you look from there to the other side where the sun is setting, actually, what do you want more? So you have snow, you have perfect light, you have the absolute perfect winter day. So it couldn't be better.
Sun.
Finally some sun. I tried to get back the drone. The battery is dying pretty fast when it's cold. That's super crazy. But that's fine. So let's go in and drink a hot chocolate.
Oh yeah.
Let's get straight in there, drinking chocolate, and then going back down. Back home in the cold.
Yeah.
But it was super great here. We were just here for 2 hours or something like that, because it's just with the car 50 minutes from where we live. But it's worth every time we come back here. And we already have planned to come back in summer when it's super hot. Yeah, and then we will hike down, but not today when it's that cold. So let's go to the chocolate. Well guys, so our plans changed because we saw our train is here. So no time for hot chocolate. No hot chocolate for Claudia. Maybe at home.
Yeah.
So we go back at home. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and follow our channel for further videos. Have an amazing winter, guys. Bye.